and I got to know about the competition through SEDEP. We met in 2015 in Istanbul, and she invited me over, so I came down for the World Nomad Games in 2018. Definitely, I love the food, I love the landscape, and definitely the people. Yes, the people are very welcoming.
Yeah. I don't know. Everyone is very, very good here, especially the Kyrgyz, the Kazakhs, the Uzbeks, and the Turkish. They are all very, very good. So we'll see. But most important thing is that we enjoy ourselves.